first step to install your Everbase floor is to line up the male and female connection points to assure all tiles are in the same direction. The process will start by connecting all tiles in sets of rows. For the first row, bring the tiles close to each other and align the male connection over the female. Place one foot on the tile with a female edge and use your other foot to swiftly kick and lock the tile in place. Continue this process until all of your tiles are in rows. Now that you have your tiles in rows, you can begin to connect them together. Line them up and use the same process as before to connect. When you are ready to disassemble, you will follow the install procedure, but in reverse. Start with gently lifting up on each row. This will not take much force to disconnect. Once the tiles are in rows, proceed to lift up and detach each individual tile. If you have any issues or need help with your install, please contact our customer support at 1-800-830-0210.